Every car owner's worst nightmare is seeing that temperature gauge creep into the red zone. An overheating engine isn't just a minor inconvenience. It can lead to severe damage, costly repairs, and even complete engine failure. If you've ever been stuck on the side of the road with steam billowing from under your hood, you know how frustrating and stressful it can be. But what if I told you there are 3 secret tips that can help you prevent overheating forever? These tips are not commonly shared, but they can save you thousands of dollars and extend the life of your engine. Stick around because the 3rd tip is a game changer that most mechanics won't tell you. The first and most important secret to stopping your engine from overheating is using the right coolant mixture. Many people think that water alone is enough to keep their engine cool, but that's a huge mistake. Your engine requires a 50-50 mix of coolant and distilled water to regulate temperature properly. Coolant not only prevents overheating, but also protects against rust, corrosion, and freezing in colder months. But here's the real secret. Adding a coolant booster can significantly improve heat dissipation, making your engine even more resistant to high temperatures. These boosters enhance the coolant's ability to transfer heat away from critical components, reducing the risk of overheating during long drives or extreme weather conditions. The second secret is often overlooked, but just as crucial: keeping your radiator and cooling system clean. Over time, dirt, debris, and rust can build up inside the radiator, restricting airflow and reducing its cooling efficiency. A clogged radiator forces your engine to work harder, which leads to overheating. To prevent this, you should flush your radiator every 30,000 miles, or at least once every 2 years. This process removes old coolant, rust, and any buildup that might be causing blockages. In addition, always check for cracked or leaking hoses, because even a small leak can lead to a drastic loss of coolant, leaving your engine vulnerable to overheating. Another key component to monitor is the radiator fan. This fan helps pull air through the radiator to keep the engine temperature stable. If your fan isn't working properly, your cooling system will struggle to keep up, especially in heavy traffic or during hot summer months. Now, let's get to the 3rd and most powerful secret: upgrading to a high-performance thermostat. This is a trick that many mechanics won't mention, but it can make a huge difference in your car's ability to manage heat. Your thermostat controls the flow of coolant through the engine, regulating its operating temperature. Most stock thermostats are designed for standard driving conditions, but if your car frequently runs hot, you may need a low-temperature thermostat. These thermostats open at a lower temperature, allowing coolant to flow sooner and preventing sudden spikes in engine heat. If you've experienced recurring overheating problems, this simple upgrade could be the long-term solution you've been looking for. At the end of the day, preventing your engine from overheating isn't just about reacting when you see the temperature gauge rising. It's about taking proactive steps to keep your car's cooling system in top condition. Using the right coolant mix, maintaining a clean radiator, and upgrading your thermostat are 3 key ways to ensure your engine stays cool, even under extreme conditions. By following these tips, you won't just prevent overheating. You'll also extend the lifespan of your engine and avoid expensive repairs down the road. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more expert car maintenance hacks. Have you ever had an overheating problem? Drop a comment below and let me know how you fixed it.